On a warm June day in 1865, the enslaved people of Galveston, Texas learned of their freedom. This day, known as Juneteenth, is a cause for celebration. Juneteenth, a portmanteau of June and 19th, marks a pivotal moment in American history. It was on this day that Union General Gordon Granger arrived in Galveston, Texas, with the news that the Civil War had ended and all enslaved people were now free. This was 2.5 years after President Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation had legally freed them. However, the news hadn't reached this remote part of the Confederacy until Granger's arrival. From that day forward, Juneteenth has been celebrated as a day of liberation, a day of joy, and a day of reflection. It's a time to honor those who endured the inhumanity of slavery and those who fought for freedom. It serves as a poignant reminder of the struggles endured, the battles won, and the progress still to be made. Over the years, Juneteenth celebrations have carried the rich tapestry of African American history, culture, and spirit. The day is often marked with prayer services, speeches, picnics, family gatherings, and of course, food. Food, in fact, plays a central role in these celebrations. Traditional dishes passed down through generations grace the tables at Juneteenth gatherings. These meals are not just nourishment, they are a tribute to the resilience and creativity of those who, even in bondage, created a vibrant, enduring culinary tradition. From buttermilk cornbread, a staple of the Southern table, to the tangy black-eyed pea salad, each dish tells a story. Grilled prawns with okra and eggplant, summer fruit cobbler with vanilla mascarpone biscuits, and rosy hibiscus gin lowball all make their appearances, reflecting the spirit of Juneteenth and honoring African American culinary traditions. Today, we honor this day with a feast of dishes that echo the spirit of Juneteenth and African American culinary traditions. Number 1. Buttermilk cornbread. Nothing says comfort more than a slice of buttermilk cornbread. This delightful dish, deeply rooted in the Southern culinary tradition, has been gracing dinner tables for centuries. Its rich, moist crumb and delicate, slightly tangy flavor make it a favorite side dish, especially during Juneteenth celebrations. The key to a perfect buttermilk cornbread lies in its ingredients. Yellow cornmeal for that authentic, rustic texture. All-purpose flour to give it just the right amount of lift. Sugar for a touch of sweetness that perfectly counters the tang of the buttermilk. Eggs to bind it all together. A generous helping of butter for richness and that beautiful golden crust. And of course, buttermilk. The star of the show, lending its unique flavor profile and ensuring a moist, tender crumb. The method is just as straightforward as the ingredient list. It all starts by combining the dry ingredients, followed by the wet ingredients in a separate bowl. Then, the wet and dry are mixed together, creating a batter that is poured into a preheated, buttered skillet. The magic happens in a hot oven, transforming the batter into a golden, delicious bread with a beautiful, crumbly texture that's just begging to be served up warm and shared. Buttermilk cornbread is more than just a delicious side dish. It's a nod to the resilience and creativity of those who first baked it, a staple that has endured through generations. It's a symbol of unity, shared with love and respect during Juneteenth celebrations. It's a taste of history, a culinary tradition that tells a story of survival, freedom, and the joy of community. Serve this warm, and you'll have a perfect side dish that resonates with history. Number 2. Grilled prawns with okra and eggplant. Next up, we have a dish that bursts with flavor. Grilled prawns with okra and eggplant. This culinary delight marries the ocean's bounty with the earth's produce in a symphony of tastes and textures. It begins with the star of the show, the prawns. Freshly caught, they're a testament to the rich aquatic life that has sustained African American communities across generations. Marinating these prawns in a blend of spices, they're then grilled to tender perfection. Our accompanying cast, the okra and eggplant, are no less important. These vegetables, embraced in African American culinary traditions, are treated with the respect they deserve. The okra, with its distinct texture and flavor, is lightly sautéed, while the eggplant, known for its ability to absorb flavors, is grilled alongside the prawns. Every ingredient in this dish has a story, a journey from its origin to the plate. The prawns, the okra, the eggplant, they all represent a piece of the vast and diverse African American culinary landscape. Each bite, each flavor echoes the resilience, adaptability, and creativity of those who first made these dishes with what was available to them. This is not just a meal, it's a history lesson and a celebration. A celebration of freedom, of culture, of heritage. A celebration of the culinary journey African American communities have embarked on since their emancipation. So, as you prepare this dish, remember the journey it represents, the history it carries, and the love that goes into it. Because food is not just sustenance, it's a story, a connection to our past, and a bridge to our future. This dish is a true celebration of freedom, packed with flavors that take you on a culinary journey. Number 3, stone fruit salad with collard peanut pesto. Now let's brighten up our table with a vibrant stone fruit salad with collard peanut pesto. This salad is a symphony of flavors, a true celebration of summer's bounty, and a nod to the rich culinary traditions that mark Juneteenth. Picture this, a medley of ripe stone fruits, peaches, plums, cherries, and apricots, their juices sweet and bursting with sunshine. These are tossed in a light dressing, a delicate balance of tangy and sweet, to truly highlight their natural flavors. But the real star of this salad, the pièce de résistance if you will, is the collard peanut pesto. Collards, a staple in African American cuisine, are transformed into a vibrant pesto with the addition of roasted peanuts, garlic, and a touch of lemon zest. This pesto, bold and packed with flavor, is drizzled generously over the stone fruit, creating a delightful contrast and an explosion of flavor with each bite. To assemble this salad, start by making the pesto. Blend together the collards, peanuts, garlic, and lemon zest until smooth. Then slice your stone fruits and toss them in the dressing. Arrange the fruit on a platter, drizzle the pesto over the top, and voila, your stone fruit salad with collard peanut pesto is ready to grace your Juneteenth table. This salad is more than just a dish, it is a tribute to the resilience, creativity, and culinary brilliance of African American culture. It is a testament to freedom, a symbol of the vibrancy of life, and a celebration of heritage. This salad brings a fresh and vibrant touch to our Juneteenth feast. Number 4, summer fruit cobbler with vanilla mascarpone biscuits. Every celebration deserves a sweet ending, and our summer fruit cobbler with vanilla mascarpone biscuits is just that. This delightful dessert is a symphony of flavors, combining the natural sweetness of summer fruits with the rich, creamy texture of vanilla mascarpone biscuits. The recipe starts with a medley of summer fruits. Peaches, plums, and cherries are a classic choice, but feel free to mix and match based on what's in season. These fruits are tossed in a mixture of sugar and lemon juice, allowing their flavors to meld together and form the base of our cobbler. While the fruits are getting to know each other, we start on the biscuits. The magic ingredient here is mascarpone, an Italian cream cheese that lends a luscious richness to our biscuits. Mixed with flour, sugar, and a hint of vanilla, it creates a dough that's soft yet sturdy, ready to be dotted over our fruit mixture. The cobbler is then baked until the fruits are bubbling and the biscuits are golden. The result is a dessert that's both comforting and celebratory, the perfect way to honor the spirit of Juneteenth. With each bite of this cobbler, we remember the journey towards freedom. The sweetness of the fruits symbolizes the joy of liberation, while the biscuits, with their layers of flavor, remind us of the complexity and richness of African American history and culture. This dessert is a tribute to the sweet taste of freedom we celebrate today. Number 5, Rosy Hibiscus Gin Lowball. To toast to freedom, we present the Rosy Hibiscus Gin Lowball. This cocktail is a celebration in a glass. It's an emblem of jubilation and liberation, a perfect accompaniment to the spirit of Juneteenth. The Rosy Hibiscus Gin Lowball boasts a vibrant blend of flavors. The floral notes of hibiscus dance with the botanicals of gin, creating a harmonious symphony that's both refreshing and invigorating. The tartness of the lime juice adds a zesty edge, while the hint of rosewater offers a soothing undertone. And let's not forget the sweet agave nectar, which balances out the tang and leaves a lingering sweetness on the palate. Creating this cocktail is a simple yet rewarding process. Start by steeping dried hibiscus flowers in boiling water until a deep crimson hue is achieved. Strain the infusion, then add the gin, lime juice, rosewater, and agave nectar. Stir the mixture until it's well combined, then pour it over a glass filled with crushed ice. Garnish with a slice of lime and a sprig of fresh mint for that extra touch of freshness. The Rosy Hibiscus Gin Lowball is more than just a drink. It's a symbol of resilience and perseverance. It's a tribute to the indomitable spirit of those who fought for freedom, and a reminder of the importance of celebrating our hard-won liberties. So, as we gather around the table to savor the flavors of Juneteenth, let's not forget to raise our glasses high. Raise a glass to freedom with this refreshing cocktail. Number 6, and the last in the list, is tangy black-eyed pea salad. Last but not least, we have the tangy black-eyed pea salad. A culinary delight that's as vibrant as the history it represents, This salad is a staple in Juneteenth celebrations. Like many dishes that have become synonymous with this significant day, the tangy black-eyed pea salad has roots deeply entrenched in African American culinary traditions. Beginning with the star of the show, black-eyed peas, these humble legumes carry a weighty symbolism. Historically, they were a vital crop in West Africa, later becoming a crucial part of the diet for enslaved Africans in the Americas. Today they stand as a symbol of resilience, prosperity, and the ability to thrive against all odds. Now let's dive into the making of this hearty salad. To start, we soak the black-eyed peas overnight, a small step that ensures they cook evenly and absorb all the flavors we'll infuse them with. Once they're tender, we combine them with crisp bell peppers, sweet corn, and juicy tomatoes. An explosion of colors that's a feast for the eyes as much as it is for the palate. The tanginess in our salad comes from a homemade vinaigrette. A simple mix of apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and honey. It's a dressing that packs a punch and ties all our ingredients together. And there you have it. A salad that's not just a side dish, but a testament to a history of resilience, a tribute to a culinary heritage that's been passed down generations, and a celebration of the freedom that Juneteenth represents. This salad is a celebration of flavors, just like Juneteenth is a celebration of freedom. As we wrap up our culinary journey, let's remember the significance of these dishes. We started with the warm and familiar buttermilk cornbread, a classic staple that has been gracing Southern tables for generations. Its humble ingredients and simple preparation are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of those who first created it. We then ventured into the vibrant and bold flavors of the grilled prawns with okra and eggplant. This dish, with its roots in West Africa, is a celebration of the diversity and richness of African American culinary traditions. The stone fruit salad with collard peanut pesto was our next stop. This refreshing and colorful dish is a nod to the bounty of summer and the importance of fresh, seasonal ingredients. It's a delightful blend of sweet, savory, and nutty flavors that is sure to invigorate your palate. Our sweet journey continued with the summer fruit cobbler with vanilla mascarpone biscuits, a dessert that brings together the sweetest fruits of the season and pairs them with fluffy, creamy biscuits. This dish is a testament to the joy and warmth of family gatherings on special occasions. And what's a celebration without a cocktail? The rosy hibiscus gin lowball brings us the floral notes of hibiscus, the tartness of citrus, and the kick of gin. It's a toast to the hard-won freedom and the continued struggle for equality. We ended our culinary tour with the tangy black-eyed pea salad, a dish that symbolizes luck and prosperity. It's a hopeful note to end on, a testament to the future that was fought for and the progress that continues to be made. Each of these dishes carries a piece of history, a story of resilience and freedom. So as we prepare these recipes, let's remember to honor those histories, to celebrate the diversity of our culinary traditions, and to savor each bite as a taste of freedom. As we enjoy these dishes, let's remember the history they carry and the freedom they represent. Happy Juneteenth, everyone! For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.